Struggling to link a customer to a vendor in Zoho Books? Learn the exact 9-click process to do it in under 2 minutes. I'll show you the exact steps from opening Zoho Books to confirming the link. Follow along. Start by opening Zoho Books from your browser or app. Click on the Customers module on the left sidebar. Find and click on the customer named Ms. Expert Apps to open their profile. In the profile, click on the More button to see additional options. From the drop-down menu, select Link to Vendor. A new window pops up. Click Choose a Vendor to Link to pick the vendor. For this example, click on Bobby AI as the vendor. Click the Link button to confirm the connection. You see a confirmation pop up letting you know the link was successful. That's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.